Another one of Butternut's biggest areas of commerce was livestock. As you can see, this large stable. And right over here was the main street where people would park their wagons and come in here and see all the beautiful horses that were going to race out on that track. As you can see, this has been abandoned for probably at least 5 decades. It's sad, but let's take a look at it. Look how huge these stables were. It's absolutely beautiful here. This is really why I got into ghost towning. I even met Matt and Mark. Coming to you live from Butternut. It's Dennis. Alright, Matt, just so you and Mark know, I'm going to go